Connection errors can be frustrating, especially when trying to enjoy a game like CS2. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connection issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to browse other websites to see if they load without issues. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity problems. Unplug the router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow it to fully restart before testing the connection again. Step 3. Update network drivers. Outdated network drivers can cause connection issues. Check for updates for your network adapter drivers through your device manager or the manufacturer's website and install any available updates. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Firewalls and antivirus software can sometimes block game connections. Temporarily disable them to see if the issue persists. If the connection improves, consider adding exceptions for CS2 in your firewall and antivirus settings. Step 5. Change server region. In-game settings may allow you to change the server region. Try connecting to a different server that is closer to your geographical location to reduce latency and improve connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance.